In this particular video, I will discuss about Python libraries. So what is modularity? Modularity means it is act of proportioning a program into individual components. So modules logically organize our Python code. In a module, we are grouping the related code into the module, makes the code easier to understand. Modules can define the functions, variable and classes. A module is a normal Python file. Each module math is a math.py file and module random is a random.py file. So here, if you want, you can import the modules and you can use it in your programs. And if you can want to create your own modules, that facility is also provided by Python. So let me look further. So library is a collection of modules. Library caters to the specific type of requirements. So Python standard library includes, what are those standard libraries? We have math module, random module, matplotlib, tkinter, numpy and urlib. So depending upon our requirement, we are going to import the modules. For example, we have a function fun.py. This is the name of the Python file, and we have two different functions here. One is like which calculate the sum of these two numbers. One more is like which calculate the difference of these two numbers. Okay, return a plus b and return a minus b. So we have two different functions, sum and difference. So Python will display all the docstring along with the module name, file name, functions name, and the constant. So here we have a import math dir.math. What is this? It will display all the names of the functions like factorial, floor, module, the cosine function, remainder, sine, square root, tan, log functions. So this is going to display all the names of the functions, and we want to know a particular function, like how exactly it should be used, so that we can specify help POW. So it will tell you like how to use equivalent to base exponential with the two arguments. So this is how we can use help command also. So what are the three ways the modules can be imported? We can import the entire module. We can import a selected functions from the module, importing all the functions of the module. So we can import all the functions of the module. So first we'll see how to import the entire module. If I say import math dot square root of 4, so we can like get the output here. Square root of 4 is 2. So that is a dot operator that we are going to use here. So how to import a specific function? So from math import square root, only some specific function I want to import. So from math import square root. So square root of 4 is nothing but the 4. So if I want to import only POW, we can write square root comma POW. Both functions are going to be imported. Okay. So how to import all the modules from math import star means it is going to import all the functions of the modules, so square root, POW and everything. All the functions of the math modules that will be imported, like factorial also will be imported. So Python built-in module. So we have a built-in modules 4.4.1. So we want to convert it into the integer. So how to convert 4.45.1 to integer? So built-in functions are there. Round functions, it is going to round to one decimal. 11 x equal to 11 converted to the octal number, hexadecimal x. So it is going to convert it to the hexadecimal equivalent of 11. So built-in function for the string functions, we can join we can make use of the join if we want to add something to the string. After h, I want to add double star, so that also can be done. From each character, the star will be appended. What about this thing? We have a list here. We want to make it a single string by appending star star at the end of the string. That also can be done. It is converted to the single string here. And next one is like split functions. When we want to split two different strings, so that also can be done. The single string can be converted to the list here. Again, we have a split of O. Again, we are going to convert it into different strings here. Okay, split function. So replace function. So we want to replace hello with the outer, so that can also be done. We want to replace hello with the welcome, that also can be done. So replacing the function, that can be done. So random function returns the random number. Okay. So lower range limit is inclusive, returns the floating point number. So random is going to return the floating point number. For example, here import random dot random. So here it is going to generate some big number. Okay. If you want only integers, you can make use of the randint. So 4 to 20, anything between 4 to 20, some random number will be generated. So using web browser models, it opens the website in a computer or in a window or a computer. So webbrowser.open.google.com. So it opens the google.com website, import web browser.open. So what are the different functions? We have a read function, get code, get URL, headers and information. So what is this read function? Returns the HTML or source code of the URL. Get code returns the HTTP status code. Get URL returns the URL. Header stores the metadata about the open URL. Information returns the same information as stored in the header. So this is a code where we open the website, we read and we try to get the code and get the URL information. So we are going to display all this information here. So if you want to create your own library, you can do this. You have to create a folder ABC, and inside that we created the Python module xyz.py, and we are going to write the functions that are there in the xyz.py. So how to import this? From ABC import xyz. So from ABC we import the xyz, and that also can be done. Okay. So thanks for watching this video. If you like this video, subscribe to this particular channel. Thank you.